What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1L, the Hussle family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake social media accounts out there. Got a lot of people making fake King Hussle pages, scamming people still, and y'all still falling for it. So please, just get a FaceTime verification call or a video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, my bad, I ain't dropped a couple videos in a couple days. I'm injured again, hurt my shoulder. I think I tore a tendon or something in my shoulder. Been working out and I messed it up. So, been in real pain, been chilling and trying to get this together. But today, I'm going to get back to making videos. I'm going to get back to dropping this sauce. I'm going to get back to dropping this information that you guys need to succeed and be successful in life. So today, I'm going to be talking about a place that you can get up to a $15,000 personal loan, and they messing with people. They really handed them out. And we talking about Zippy Loan, all right? So Zippy Loan, we're going to talk about today how you can get you a $15,000 personal loan, the steps you need to take before applying for this loan, and how you could be successful with getting this loan, all right? Because a lot of people out there need loans. A lot of people out there need credit cards and lines of credit. Like I said, I'm going to show y'all how to get bad credit personal loans. But if you really want to get the money, get loans to utilize the money and buy it, because like I said, it's all about the utilization rate. Personal and business has different utilization rates. When you get business loans and lines of credits and credit cards, you're supposed to use all that money up. They know you're going to use all that money up. But when you get these things on your personal side, you're supposed to use 10% of what you get. So if you get $1,000 credit card, 10% of that is $100. So you're not supposed to use more than $100 on your credit card. And a lot of people don't really understand or really pay attention to the difference of how you can really leverage business credit into cash and become successful. But we're going to talk about it. I'm going to get y'all there. I'm going to get y'all where y'all need to be. All right. So today we're going to be talking about Zippy Loan. Now, everybody who is interested in getting this personal loan, this bad credit or decent credit, fair credit personal loan. And I know they bad credit loans, but I'd rather you guys go apply for these loans and talk to these banks and lenders with decent credit. And it is not hard to clean and build your credit. It's all about knowledge. Knowledge is power. That's what we preach, and that's what we teach, and that's what we do over here, all right? Applied knowledge is power. The more you know about something and the more you apply it to what you have going on, then you will have a better successful rate at whatever you're doing. So if you know more about credit, you'll be in business and personal. You'll have a better successful rate in getting loans, credit cards, lines of credit, setting up LLCs, businesses, how to leverage your personal credit to your business credit. Now, when people are going to these loan sites and these websites, y'all see I'm not even moving my arm. I can't. All this is just jacked up. And just let y'all know, y'all like, why his arm? He got a messed up arm. Yeah, shoulder. So boom, a lot of people want to get these loans. A lot of people want to get money. Well, if you follow these steps, I'll help you get the money for these loans. You just got to follow steps and understand that when you're applying for loans and credit cards, it's a credit mix. They look at a credit mix. There's three things that they look at. They look at what you have on your credit, the debt on your credit, the DTI, what trade lines you have, which means do you have any auto loans? Do you have any mortgage loans? Do you have any student loans? Do you have any type of loans on your credit report? Do you have any collections on your credit report? They want to see what's going on your credit report, right? Because you do know when you look at your collections, when you look at your credit report, you can see like missed payments and things like that, payments that you pay, exceptional payment history, all that. You can see all that, right? So they want to see what's your DTI, what's the debt on your credit, and are you paying this debt back or are you letting it be delinquent? If you got delinquent debt on your credit, of course they're not going to approve you for no loan, because if you can't even pay that back. So how they know you gonna pay them back, right? So boom. And then when you have a delinquent credit, means you have something on your credit. You have this debt on your credit that you're not paying, right? So another thing is people be like, oh, I'm not getting approved. I got a 650. I got a 700 credit score. My credit score is pretty decent still. Well, it's not adding up, it's not matching up. You got to make it make sense. If you had that good debt on your credit, you had that good credit score, that means you have some type of debt on your credit that you're paying back each month on time, and it's building you up exceptional payment history on your credit report. That's how you build credit. Boom. Another thing they look at is, are you employed? They want to see where your money's coming from and how much you're making. Because another thing, they want to make sure that you're going to make enough to be able to live and pay back this loan that you're requesting. That's why when some people request certain loans, they get approved for less, because after they do their research with your credit report and they see all what's going on, you might not be qualified for that loan, that amount that you applied for, but you might be qualified for a smaller amount. So that's why people get smaller amount of loans than what they apply for. But you always want to apply high, because you never know. Boom. So they want to look at the debt on your credit. They want to make sure you got exceptional payment history, which all that is what builds your credit score. That's the last thing that they look at. They want to see the credit mix. What are you paying, right? So that's a lot of different reasons why a lot of people don't get approved for these loans. So what I'm telling you guys, that okay, go get you an Experian account, $25 a month. Once you get an Experian account, you can see everything, your debt, your credit cards, what's going on, your payment history, everything, right? Inquiries, late payments, etc., etc. Freeze your credit, lock it, all that, identity, all that, right? So boom, once you're able to see your credit report, your debt on your credit, you're going to say, okay, if you're 18, 19, 20, 21, you're starting to build credit, it's different for you. But if you're older, you have student loans, a lot of different trade lines or collections on your account, you want to clean your credit. So like I told you, go freeze the 3 credit bureaus, your 3 credit reports, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Once you freeze them, go back to your Experian account. Then every collections that you have, you're going to dispute them. You can either do it online by going through Experian. You can send in the letters or do it over the phone. Once you dispute them, give it up to 15 business days to start doing this magic. Because now and it's like I said, any account that's 7 years or older, any collection account that's 7 years or older, is classified as being expired. So as long as it's expired, those are the ones that you'll see dropping off your credit report faster. And the reason you're freezing your credit report, because once you freeze your credit report and you dispute anything, you're saying that these collection accounts are not accurate. So once they go to check and they can't get into your credit report because it's frozen, they have no choice but to delete it off your credit report. So that's the trick, that why you freeze it. So boom, once you freeze it, once you start cleaning it up, then you want to start adding the trade lines that I told you guys about. The trade line supplies, those are credit limit accounts, those are bank credit accounts, credit card accounts, right? Those are people that are allowing you to pay, and they'll allow you to leverage off their credit card. So if they got a $50,000 credit card, it'll now be reporting on your credit report that you have a $50,000 credit card, right? And like I said, you're supposed to have up to 5 credit cards on your credit report, right? So I know a lot of people say, man, I gotta go get a credit card. I gotta go get me 5 credit cards. I won't get approved for that. Well, the pros of getting trade lines and AUs is that, okay, instead of going to apply and actually getting these credit cards, physically having this money, and possibly not being responsible, you can go buy a trade line, an AU, and buy their account and have leverage on yours. So if they got a $50,000 credit card account, it'll pop up on your credit account that you have a $50,000, right? And they got a $10,000, you can get up to 5 cards, right? So that's your credit cards right there. Then you can go add trade lines. I mean, you can add installment loans. You can add revolving credit accounts. You can add so many trade lines to your credit that'll boost it in no time. And I told you guys about Credit Strong. You can get up to $42,000 in installment loans. You got anybody out there paying rent. Like, you want to start like getting as many ways to boost your credit as fast as ways, you want to add all these trade lines. Ava, anybody out there with them streaming services, Hulu, HBO, Netflix, all those, you could go through Ava. It'll report through your credit when you pay. You could be paying your bills. You can report that. Incredible. Self. So many different places to start building, adding trade lines to your account and start building credit, because now they report to the credit bureaus and it'll start building your credit and your payment history, and it'll start looking good for you, right? So boom. Once you got all that going, now this is the third thing. They want to make sure that you making money, you can pay back this money depending on what type of loan that you're getting. So if you're self-employed, which 98% of everybody who are watching my videos are, which is okay, no one wants to work a 9 to 5. No one wants to work for somebody. But sometimes it's okay to work a job. It's okay to build your capital. You build your money, save your money so you can invest into something and be blessed. It's okay. You got to start somewhere. I was sleeping in the car 3 years ago, 4 years ago. So I didn't just pop up with a mansion and big house and cars and businesses and stuff like that. No, I had to grind. I had to get there. So boom. Where I leave off at? Oh yeah. So boom. They want to see all that. So once you got all that, once you got them trade lines and all that on your credit report, let it marinate for a second. Let it, you know what I'm saying? Let it mature. Like, you don't want to just be so fast. Like, slow down. Slow and steady always wins the race. Slow down. Then, once you let it mature, let it age for a month or at least a month and a half. Let you boost some credit points. Let it start reflecting on your credit. Then you want to, oh yeah, so you want to start applying, but make sure you got a paper trail of your money. Like I said, if you're self-employed, go to ADP, payroll provider. Start running your money through there so you can start getting direct deposits to your bank account, and they can start seeing a paper trail and you getting paid from your LLC, or you know what I'm saying? You're getting paid, right? Or your business. So get it, start running your money through that to your bank account. They can start seeing the paper trail. Once you got all that, then you want to go apply to these bad credit loans and places like that. All right. So without further ado, let's check out Zippy Loan. Up to $15,000 personal loan. Go apply after you follow those steps, and I guarantee you'll get approved. Let's check them out. All right, so today we're gonna be talking about Zippy Loan personal loans, where you can get up to $15,000. Zippy Loan official site. If you want to use the money urgently for various expenses, you want to access the hassle-free cash flow and get paid quickly without questioning or purpose of use, you need Zippy Loan to help. Zippy Loans is easy to get cash when you need. Simply the money request and approval process with a wide range of loan options. All right. So then when you scroll down, they got what is Zippy Loan. It just explains Zippy Loans are designed specifically for people who need quick and easy access to money. They're also very flexible, so you can get loan you need without too much hassle. Loans are available in a variety of dimensions and can be obtained through a number of online and brick and mortar banks. All right, so Zippy Loans are usually shorter than traditional loans, personal finance loans, and can be repaid over the shorter period of time. Zippy Loans are also available through online lenders, so you can get the best deal on them. When applying for a loan, the lender will check your credit score to evaluate your credit worthiness. If the lender rejects your loan application for whatever reason, it reduces your credit score. If you decide to apply with 2 or 3 other lenders, you're likely to get the same results. Due to all the sudden inquiries on your credit report, right? Oh. So what is Zippy Loan? So the financial institute is, and the likes can make obtaining loans complicated and time consuming. Also, most lenders place requirements on loan collection that are difficult to meet. Zippy Loan provides a better and faster alternative. It isn't a financial institute or lender itself, rather it's an online platform that connects borrowers with potential lenders who are eligible for requests a loan anywhere from $100 to $15,000. All you have to do is follow the basic loan application process. On the website, you will receive a notification to confirm the approval or denial of your request. Zippy Loan features. Before signing any loan agreement here, you need to look at it well. Consider all aspects of the loan, like the amount, APR, and other variables. Only move forward if you're comfortable with the parameters. Is it legit? Legitimacy and authenticity are very important when dealing with a platform like these. So far, Zippy Loan gives up to its promise of providing you loans faster than many other sources. As an online aggregator, it works around the clock to find borrowers the ideal lender for them. The loan application process itself takes less than 10 minutes. That said, there are a few red flags worth mentioning here. So benefits of a Zippy Loan: faster approval process. That means borrowers can get their loan approved much more quicker. The interest rate on a Zippy Loan is usually much lower than other types of mortgages, so the ideal choice for those who are looking for a low-cost way to finance their home. And it just tells you other steps right there. Then it says how to apply for the loan through Zippy Loan, and it gives you the steps right here. So check the eligibility requirements, compare interest rates, and then just check them out more. So, man, you get up to $15,000 in personal loans, Zippy Loan. They working with people. Make sure you follow the steps in the beginning of the video, and you'll have a better success rate of getting approved for the $15,000 on your personal side. All right. So, without further ado, let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. Zippy Loan giving out $15,000 in personal loans. All you gotta do is follow the steps that I gave you in the beginning of the video, and I promise you, I guarantee you, you will have a better chance of getting approved for a high limit, close to, if not $15,000. All right, so make sure y'all follow the steps in the beginning of the video. Make sure you rewind the video, listen to me, interpret it, and apply it to your life, and you'll get some money. All right, so tap in, man. Shout out to all my Real King Hussle fans, supporters, new subscribers, old subscribers, all y'all. Cause without y'all, there'd be no me. No, y'all motivate me, keep going. Y'all motivate me, keep dropping sauce, and y'all motivate me, keep y'all entertained. All right, so shout out to y'all. Also, anybody out there looking to get that credit lessons, you want me to help you clean your credit. You want me to show you how to clean your credit, build your credit, add trade lines, AUs, get loans, lines of credit cards, all that good stuff is going to be $600. But if you want me to do it for you, it's going to start at $1,500. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in on that. Also, tap in and get y'all in-person limited gems, $1,200, FaceTime 101s. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know from CPNs, business lessons, credit lessons, how to get loans, credit cards, lines of credit, documents, how to make thousands of dollars a day on social media, how to invest, how to be blessed, any method that you want out the book, I'm gonna get you together. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in on y'all limited gems. Also, make sure y'all tapping in for y'all mentorships, $2,400. I'm gonna take you under my wing. You'll get all the limited gems. Plus, I'm gonna teach you about the DW, cybersecurity, and we gonna make money together. Yes, we gonna make money together. We gonna do this YouTube automation thing together. All right, so if the channel making $20,000, you get 10, I get 10. If it's making 10,000, you get 5, I get 5. All right, as long as you put in the same effort and grind and time to build the page with me, we'll be all right. Also, make sure y'all booking y'all seat on the crypto tour, in-person limited gems, $3,500. Meet me in Miami, May 26th through the 29th. I will be there for Memorial Day weekend, invading South Beach. Tap in. Let's get these gems. Let's make some money together. I'm shooting blogs, music videos, yacht, partying, having fun, running up a bag. So you looking to tap in, you looking to have fun, you looking to learn how to make some money, you looking to run up a bag with me in Miami, tap in right now. Book your seats. Seats is starting to fill up fast, so make sure y'all tapping in. Miami, Florida, Memorial Day weekend, May 26th to the 29th, $3,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person. All right, so come party with me, come make some money with me in Miami. Come get these gems, come get it in. All right. What else we got? Got merch coming soon. We got the sketchy line dropping with hoodies, hats, t-shirts. I got women apparel coming too. Finna really go crazy with it. Good high quality hoodies. None of that cheap, real quick embroidery company. No, I'm talking about my stuff gonna be in competition with Off-White, Gallery Department, Hyde Park, all that. Good quality fabric, heavy oversized fit, cropped hoodies. Hoodies will be $250. I got some full zip-up hoodies coming soon. Those will be exclusive releases, exclusive drops. Those will be $350. T-shirts, pending on that. Hats, pending on that. And we finna really kick off this brand, this merch the right way. All right, so make sure y'all still looking out for the Hussle Nation brand, the merch, exclusive designs, exclusive fabrics, exclusive real deal, Holyfield merch, all right? None of that cheap stuff, all right? So make sure y'all really tapping in. My prices is my prices because it's worth it. Still look for people for the production company. Still look for actors, rappers, models, producers, videographers, cameraman, all that. So make sure you tapping in. Any rappers out there, any singers, you looking to get your chain, looking to get your watch, looking to start making money off this music, tap in. Music reviews is $200. All right, you ain't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 plus into you and your career? Make it make sense. All right. Also, any models out there, any beautiful ladies out there looking to get behind the camera, looking to elevate their brand, looking to build their platform. You got a good attitude. You got a good head on your shoulders. You ready to work. You're not going to just be doing, no, we're going to be working. I mean, you're doing podcasts, blogs. I'm going to have you really working. Whatever it takes for you to be successful and get your face and your brand and platform out there, we're going to do it. You got to expand. You got to open up your mind. You got to try new things because you never know. What you want to do might not be made for you. But trying something new, it might work better for you. and it might blow up faster for you. Trust me, I know. So make sure you tapping in. Make sure y'all got a good head on your shoulders. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. All right. So make sure you remember that. Any videographers out there, real videographers, that means you go out there and you shoot the video. You go home, you edit the video. Good camera, 4K or better. Good transactions, good FX effects, good maxing. Tap in. Color grade. Tap in. The more content equals views, views equals money. Point blank period. The more content we push, it means the more views we're going to get. It means the more money we're going to make. Easy as that. Putting together a good team right now, people, so we can work, be diligent, be consistent, and really, you know what I'm saying, start building this platform together, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all come to get y'all gems. Make sure y'all ready to work when y'all contact me on IG. Go run them followers up. Go subscribe and hit the notification bell on all them YouTube channels. And I see you at the next video. Y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I see you at the next. Peace.